Hey everyone, it's Julie, back with another mukbang. Today I am having the Doritos Loaded. I have the Nacho ones. And I also am eating the Jalapeño ones. So I'll give you a review for both of them. Okay, I think these ones are the jalapeno ones. I don't know. I mixed them up. I have some ranch here from Burger King. I'm going to be dipping in some green tea. So yeah, these are the jalapeno ones on the side. Try one of those first. So hungry. I think it has jalapenos and red bell pepper in it. How is everyone doing today? I'm doing pretty good. It's Tuesday. It's rainy out, but the kids are still outside playing. I love cheese. I don't have much time on these now. They look the same on the outside, the nacho ones. Okay, this one doesn't look like it has much cheese in it. True. Okay. This doesn't really have any cheese in it either. It's weird. Maybe they came out. The nacho one doesn't have much flavor. Let's see if I can find another one with actual cheese in it. No. That is so weird. I'm not going to pull them all apart though. So far I haven't found a nacho one with cheese in it. So I'm going to go again for another jalapeno. Look, some of it came out. I've been really craving like jalapenos lately. I can eat some spicy foods, but lately I've been like really loving jalapenos. I can't eat real spicy stuff, but I can deal with a little bit of a punch. Good. This weekend is the 4th of July weekend, and I have a few parties. What are y'all doing for the holiday? Oh, the cheese did come out. This one has a little bit more in there. What are you doing?
We found it like a bit in a bunch of dirt.
Okay, well, go outside and play.
I want to say hi.
No, you already said hi last time.
Say hi.
Go play, please.
Never. No. My brother took his shirt off.
Go play, please.
Seriously, my brother took his
They
shirt
didn't
off.
listen.
And he
One minute.
it was wet.
He just loves being on the video. Okay. Yeah, these cheese ones. I think I kept them in a little too long. And they came out. It's a bummer. They're real crispy. These are pretty good. Like I said, I would probably buy just the jalapeno ones again. Mainly because they have more flavor. Ooh. That one was spicy. I'm running out of ranch dressing. Tonight my show comes on, Pretty Little Liars. And every Tuesday I make Taco Tuesday with my girlfriend, Jackie, one of my best friends. And tomorrow video, what I might do is the leftover stuff from tacos. I might make nachos for lunch tomorrow. Tacos, it's life. So excited. I could eat tacos every day. Here comes the sun again.
It's Maggie inside.
And hold it. Go ahead, Maggie, go out. Go ahead, Maggie, and go out.
Please don't sit that. I need a slip or something. I'm sweating.
Go play. I recently got a video, a comment on, I think, last video. Was it the last video? About like slowing down and stuff. That's the main reason why I try to like rush the videos, because I can't get more than 10 minutes by myself. Clearly. I mean, it's the summertime, so they are home from school. That might be why. So in a few months when they go back to school, I might be able to do like longer videos. And maybe do like mukbangs with friends and stuff. So I do apologize to anyone that may think that. But I do appreciate all the comments, all the criticism. Because, you know, I made this to kind of give myself a hobby. I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I'm always home with the kids. And I figured this would be nice to kind of have someone to talk to, even though there's not really anybody here with me eating. But it's nice to have, you know, you guys to talk to. So, thank you. And I recently got a few more subscribers, and, you know, I'm very, very thankful for you all. I think I have like 21 subscribers already, which I think is pretty good for a week or two. I don't know. I mean, I'm not up there with, like, you know, all the big people with thousands and thousands of them, but maybe one day I will. This is like one of my longest videos, but the baby's got to go down for a nap soon, so I got to feed him lunch. I relaxed for the day. Like I said, it's rainy out, so it's a movie kind of day. One week post-op from my surgery I had last Monday, so I'm feeling pretty good with that. I need to start going back to the gym. I don't know how long. I'm probably not going to go back to the gym until I go to my post-op visit, because I just want to make sure that everything's healing okay. Because they had to cut my stomach open in 3 spots. They're small incisions, but I have a lot of layers because I'm, you know, kind of chunkier in the midsection. But, you know, I'm going to get going. These are pretty good. Half of them doesn't have any cheese on them. The jalapeno ones are my favorite. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. If you want to try these. I would say the jalapenos ones are the best bet. Have a good day. Bye.